I think it's day 13 of 3 packs a day. I'm gonna be straight with you guys. When I started this project, I knew that if I did 3 packs a day for 30 straight days, there would be nothing on my channel but 30 days of 3 packs a day, and that wouldn't be very good. So you probably suspect that I'm not showing you every single day that I fly. You might be right about that. But today I am flying, and we're under a little pressure because this is making spaghetti, and the sun's going down, and one of those two things is more important than the other. But I gotta get these packs in. Let's do it. The other thing I have to mention is that I am flying the Rotorite HD1. I'm not flying it because HD is better, I'm just flying it because it is flyable, which many of my quads are not if they're broken. HD is pretty good, but the reason I mention this is because it does not have black box. I actually may change the flight controller out for one that has black box so I can keep doing this little experiment. I really like that little move that people do. Vanover does it. He'll do like a turn and then come back that way. When you want to change direction, instead of just going like that, which is boring, you can... Oh, that's so nice. That's really nice. It kind of looks intentional. Oh, so in case you didn't figure it out, when I say it doesn't have black box, that's why you're not getting a stick overlay treatment. I definitely know that you guys like the stick overlay, and I also like to give you the stick overlay, so I will do my best to... I should really just change the flight controller out on this guy. I have a prototype of my JBF7 flight controller, which will be coming out soon. Oh shit, I almost hit that branch. That would have been bad. I have a prototype of my JBF7 flight controller coming out soon, so... Maybe I'll put it on here. All right, that's one pack. Only 2 minutes of flying because this pack was not fully charged when I first started, but let's keep flying. What the hell? Wreck it. All right. 2 minutes. I got 21 more seconds of flying. Yes. Let's do anything like special. What am I gonna do? Hello, tree. I didn't know there was a tree there. I don't know what I did there. Oh, too close to the ground. I felt that one coming. This helps if you really know the environment, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. I'm trying to do it down low. but also in proximity to a gap. You can really do that without losing hardly any altitude. Very interesting. Oh gosh, ooh, that was exciting. I felt like Van over there for 1 minute. See, can hardly lose any, hardly lose any altitude. It's crazy. But you do lose some. The curving driveway is making it harder. How low can you go? There we go. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? There we go. Now I'm too high. See, that's cheating. Just these little curly cues. That's the stuff that Vanover does so well. He just gets so close to the ground and doesn't hit it. But it goes so fast through those little swoops. All right, that's the end of the pack. Issa hasn't finished the spaghetti yet. The sun is going down. Do you see? Look, where's the sun? There's no sun here. The sun is... Oh, where is it? It's down below the hills. Let's go higher. No, let's do our fly. Okay, good job. Rearm. I can't rearm in the air. Oh, why couldn't it rearm? That's a shame. That's bad. The battery lead did get chopped. Everything seems to be on. There's a reason why it won't arm, though. And the battery lead got chopped. That sucks. Let's try power cycling it. Let's do that. Oh, she's alive. Yes. Just need a little power cycle, and she's okay. 9 volts? That's not right. It's not 9 volts. That's a lie. That's just a lie. It's not 9 volts. OSD says it's 9 volts, but that's clearly not true. Now, I am standing right here, so I don't want to do anything dumb and hurt myself. Like, do a little roll over here and right into my own face would be bad. Now, I don't have... Oh, she's twitching. Do you hear that? Oh, it's bad. It's bad. Okay, I gotta land. That's the flight controller's effed up. I'm not gonna land near myself either. Yeah, that's the final straw. I mean, I'll fly through a lot of things. I got a broken antenna on the receiver. You know, what's worse that'll happen? I'll fail safe. That the gyro, that's a sign of a gyro that is having problems on the flight controller. And when that happens, the flight controller can just go and go to the moon. Or when you land hard, it can go and that's where I really draw the line. So 3 packs, okay, that was 3-ish packs, and now I have a good excuse to put a new flight controller on this quad. And next time you'll have stick overlays, and that'll be good. But in the meantime, I'm out of here. I gotta go eat some spaghetti. Happy flying, everybody.